There's some big news now coming in amid speculations of an organizational and government reshuffle in UP. Back-to-back meetings are taking place in the national capital. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya had met the BJP brass in Delhi, and now we are learning UP BJP Chief Bhupendra Chaudhary has met Prime Minister Modi. Remember, this comes after BJP's recent drubbing in the Lok Sabha elections in UP, and this key meeting between Prime Minister Modi and UP BJP chief has also taken place this ahead of the by-polls in 10 seats in UP, for which the schedule is to be announced. Meanwhile, this is the latest that's coming in. My colleague Maria Shakil also now joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more details about this. Maria, what are the changes that we are looking at? We are learning there are speculations there could be an organizational and government reshuffle in UP.
Right, that's what all the speculation is, and the buzz around, not just in Lucknow, where UP Chief Minister held a meeting with his cabinet colleagues and the entire Council of Ministers, but also in Delhi. There have been series of meetings which have been held between Keshav Prasad Maurya, who is the Deputy Chief Minister, and also the former BJP President of Uttar Pradesh, with the BJP brass here, which included Mr. JP Nadda, who is the BJP President. And there was a meeting which sources say also happened between the Prime Minister and Bhupendra Chaudhary, who is the BJP UP president. Remember, his tenure comes to an end in the next few weeks. So whenever there is going to be a reshuffle of all the party presidents, he's likely to be changed, is an indication that is coming in from sources. Remember, his appointment had happened just around the time when there was a big challenge for the BJP, which was coming from the state of Uttar Pradesh, and particularly the Jat belt, because of the farmers' protests that were happening several years ago. And at that time, it was Bhupendra Chaudhary, who is from the Jat community, was appointed as the party president. He's a Jat from the Moradabad district, and it was seen as the BJP's attempt to assuage the sentiments of the angry Jat community. The elections are over. The BJP is now looking at the by-polls which are going to take place on 10 seats, and looking ahead to the Lok Sabha elections, which will be in 2020, assembly elections for the state of Uttar Pradesh, which will happen in 2027. There is that concern, and let's not forget that the power tussle between Yogi Adityanath and Keshav Prasad Maurya has played out in public domain. In 2017, when the BJP won the state of Uttar Pradesh, Keshav Maurya was the state president of the BJP. So he sees himself as a natural claimant to the chief minister's chair. But in the last 7 years, certainly Yogi Adityanath, as the chief minister, has consolidated his position and is responsible for the massive comeback that the party saw a few years ago in the assembly elections. So after the drubbing that the BJP has faced, where its number went down by 29 seats of the tally that they had in 2019, with just 33 from the crucial state of Uttar Pradesh, they are looking at what went wrong. There is an analysis which is happening. They will try and do course correction, is the sense that we are getting.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Maria, for getting us all those details there. Of course, as my colleague Maria has been pointing out, there is an analysis that is being done with regards to the UP BJP, and we are learning that an organizational as well as a government reshuffle is very much likely that would happen. That is the reason that these important meetings are being held. First, the meeting was held between Keshav Prasad Maurya and the BJP brass in Delhi yesterday, and today this important meeting was held between Prime Minister Modi and UP BJP Chief Bhupendra Chaudhary. What kind of changes will be done? That is likely to be made public in the days to come.